Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled about this one because we're going to deconstruct a totally unique framework that promises to fix what is, quite frankly, a notoriously broken industry. We're taking a really close look at the strategic affiliate income system. And look, if you've ever felt like you're just endlessly running on an affiliate marketing treadmill without actually getting anywhere, well, this is exactly what you need to hear. We're going to see why this is being positioned as the ultimate full package, mainly because it pairs a proven strategy with unparalleled support whenever you need it and a massive 6-month money-back guarantee.
So right off the bat, we have to ask, why does affiliate marketing fail for so many of us? I mean, think about it. You already know the model works. We've all heard the massive success stories, right? You create content, build an audience, recommend products, and earn commissions. It sounds so simple. But despite putting in countless hours, writing all the articles, and signing up for every program under the sun, most people end up completely throwing in the towel by month 3. The income is just non-existent or terribly inconsistent. I want to validate that frustration for you right now, because as we're about to explore, the fact that you're failing, actually, scratch that. It's probably not a lack of effort on your part at all.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today's Explainer. First, we'll look at the affiliate marketing trap. Then, building a true system. After that, we'll explore support whenever you need it, followed by the 6-month guarantee, and we'll wrap it all up with the founding member opportunity.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the affiliate marketing trap. To truly understand the solution here, we first have to identify the root cause of the failure. The creator of this system, Darren Noble, has been building affiliate sites since the early 2000s. Over his 19 years in the trenches, weathering countless algorithm updates and this whole recent AI content explosion, he noticed a huge recurring theme. It's the stark contrast between using random tactics versus building a compounding system. You see, most people are caught in this isolating grind of just throwing random links around. You know the drill. Watch a YouTube video, try a new tactic, write an isolated blog post, and just kind of hope for the best. But doing these things in isolation, it's like having puzzle pieces from 5 different boxes. It doesn't build a structured business architecture. Building an email list without a funnel won't convert subscribers, and joining programs without a real monetization plan just isn't going to build reliable income.
There's a core philosophy here that you really need to let sink in. Listen to this. Tactics without a system don't compound. They just keep you busy. Wow, that is a massive paradigm shift. Failing at affiliate marketing isn't a talent problem, folks. It is fundamentally a systems problem. If you're just writing content without a topical architecture, you're literally just keeping yourself busy. Systems problems require system solutions, and that is exactly the gap this framework aims to bridge.
Which brings us right to Section 2, building a true system.
This is where we get into the actual machinery of the course. It's a 6-module curriculum designed specifically to take you from all that chaotic activity to a highly realistic target of £2,000 a month, executed over a realistic 6-month roadmap. Let's look at the first 3 modules. Step 1 is Strategic Foundations, where you map out your personal starting point. Step 2 is Niche and Positioning. And this is cool. You actually validate your niche here to ensure it has real demand and manageable competition before you build a single thing. Step 3 is your offer stack, where you document exactly how you'll hit that £2,000 target using specific affiliate programs. And the most crucial thing to note here? Every single module comes with a downloadable PDF workbook. You're actively making decisions and building your business as you go. No passive watching allowed.
Let's move on and see how this builds with the final 3 modules. Step 4 is Platform Setup. This is where you build the physical infrastructure, your WordPress site and your funnels, so everything is tracked from day 1. Step 5 is Content Strategy, which teaches you how to build a pillar and cluster architecture so your traffic actually turns into reliable income. And finally, Step 6 is Optimization and Scaling, showing you how to grow way beyond that initial £2,000 target without, just working twice as many hours.
All right, on to Section 3, Support whenever you need it.
Now, what's really interesting about this next part is that having the perfect 6-module curriculum and beautiful workbooks, it's entirely useless if you are left completely isolated when it's time to actually implement the steps. The philosophy here is absolutely key. Building affiliate income alongside people who understand exactly where you are is significantly more effective than building it alone. Affiliate marketing can be an incredibly lonely pursuit. When you hit a technical roadblock or just a moment of major self-doubt, being entirely on your own is exactly why so many people give up at month 3. This is why we're calling this a true, full package. It has to include support whenever you need it. To solve this massive isolation problem, the system comes with an exclusive Facebook community. And guys, this isn't your typical generic group where your carefully typed questions just disappear into an endless feed of spam and weird memes. No way. It features module-aligned prompts. That means at every single stage of the course, you have a specific place to share your workbook, get personal feedback directly from Darren himself, and engage in real-time peer support with others who are at the exact same stage as you. You are never left to guess if you did it right. It genuinely gives you support whenever you need it via an exclusive Facebook group.
Which leads us perfectly into Section 4, the 6-month guarantee.
So the biggest objection anyone has when starting a new program is, well, what if I put in all this work and it just doesn't work for me? Well, the crucial point here is this massive number, 6, a 6-month time frame. This completely and violently disrupts an industry that is entirely used to flimsy 14-day refund windows. And let's be honest, 14 days is barely enough time to pick a font for your website, let alone build a functional business, right? 6 months gives you the actual runway to implement the system, start seeing organic traffic, build an email list, and actually make real commissions.
Let's walk through the exact requirements, because this isn't some fake marketing gimmick. It's a mutual commitment. To qualify, you need course completion, meaning you finish the modules and the workbooks. You need genuine 6-month implementation of the system as taught. And you need proof of work if you're asking for a refund. It's an action-based safety net. Darren is essentially saying, hey, you commit to doing the work, and I commit to it working. If you actually do it for 6 months and don't make money, you get every single penny back. It adds an incredible layer of peace of mind to the full package.
Finally, let's turn to Section 5, the founding member opportunity.
We've seen the curriculum, the community support, and the incredible guarantee. Now, let's analyze the value disparity for early adopters who want to get their hands on this system right now. As you can see, the standard price for the course is £499. And honestly, that reflects the 19 years of experience, the interactive workbooks, and that massive guarantee. But right now, there is a founding member price of just £297. That's a substantial £202 discount offered strictly to the first 60 students. Why? Because those first students are going to help shape the brand new community. Once those 60 spots are gone, the price permanently jumps up. There are no fake countdown timers here, just real supply and demand.
So let's summarize the whole shebang. This really is the full package. You're getting the 6-module step-by-step system with lifetime access and all future updates. You get the PDF implementation workbooks and quizzes, but the real game changers, that's the exclusive Facebook community giving you support whenever you need it and that unmatched 6-month money-back guarantee. It perfectly combines top-tier education with absolutely zero risk. I want to leave you with this final provocative question. Are you ready to stop grinding and start actually building? It is time to get off the tactical treadmill for sure. Free advice online just gives you disconnected tactics, but what you really need is a compounding system. If you're ready to secure one of those 60 founding member spots, lock in that amazing discount, and build alongside a supportive community with zero risk, then the path is perfectly clear. Thanks so much for joining me on today's Explainer. I highly encourage you to go check out the source material and take that